keep thinking, yo, what is up, guys? Keep thinking my other name, sorry. The Will's Train's back here again with another video of my first day on the job that I've created this channel. And we are in the desert map on Train Sim. This will be episode 1. Tell me if you guys like the Moby's End recording. I just tried to do another one, but it crashed on me. So I'm gonna keep... Facebook, screw. Go away. Right. Anyway, as I was saying, tell me the Moby's End recording. And we will be doing more of these videos. Probably if you guys like them. But first I want to see if... The reason I'm doing this right now is because I need to get more HO scale trains on the channel. The bench is right over there. I'm in my bed right now. And about to leave for school, so I gotta get this recording done. Oh, geez. Alrighty then. There should be a station out here. And you will be seeing other trains on, like, over there. And stuff. So, yeah. Right? Speeding up. Wait. Nice horn. Turn the lights off because that makes it laggy. I'm just clicking the bell a lot. You're like super speed. Do. Anyway, tell me if you like this game. I'll probably get another game. It's the only free game I have at the moment that I can get. So, yeah. I will be more subscribers again. I'll monetize myself and turn on subscriber pay. So I believe the more you guys watch the videos, like the ads and stuff, I can get better games. So yay. I kind of want to go faster. How long is this train again? Not very. Why are we double heading? Oh, I'm not double heading. Double head. Oh, you can't double head. Horn. Station. Brakes. I know I have these cars on, but still brakes. I cannot reach the thing on the side. Anyway, once I stop on the station, that'll be the end of the first video. Tell me if you guys like it. Nah. I'll do one more station. Brakes. The old train. It's an EMDF9 from the Union Pacific, if you guys are wondering. And we're stopped. Let's move on. I would open doors if we had them. What happens if we go full speed in this game? Oh, geez. Uh-oh. What's going on? Oh, jeez. What do you mean too fast? I was only going 40. Anyway, I guess that'll be the end of the video for you guys. Okay. That'll be the end of the video for you guys. Will's Train's out. See you guys later. Peace. Again. Gosh, I'm sorry. Anyway, Willie plays out. Will's Train's out. Peace.